This Coldwell Banker Schmitt Real Estate Company property video is presented by Yvette Doherty. Tiny home with deep water dockage and private boat ramp on a wide canal. Located in the boating community of Turkey Creek, located in the Ortona area of rural Galdes County. Dock offers electric and water, perfect for a live aboard. Tiny home is cute and updated, complete with a stove, refrigerator, ice maker, and vinyl flooring. A concrete pad to park your RV, and plenty of parking for your toys. Don't miss this rare opportunity. For more information, review the details below.